Good morning, Primary 6. I hope all of you stay safe. Okay, let's start our revision sheet. Number 1, negative 7 power 2 dots n. N refers to natural numbers. Okay, don't forget, even power flies the negative sign. Again, don't forget the even power like 2 flies or cancelled the negative sign. So, negative 7 power 2 is the same 7 power 2. 7 power 2 equals 49. 49, yes, belong to natural numbers. So, the answer will be natural number belong to natural number. Okay. Number 2, if absolute negative 6 equals x, then x equals what? We know absolute cancelled the negative. So absolute negative 6 equals 6. Okay? Absolute negative 6 equals 6. So x equals 6. Yes. So the answer will be 6. Number 3, negative absolute negative 2. First, you must solve the absolute. Absolute negative 2 equals 2. And here, negative sign. Okay, so negative 2. The answer will be negative 2 because absolute cancelled negative inside it. So it will be 2. But here, there is negative sign. So the answer will be negative 2. Okay. Okay. Number 4, negative 5 times negative 3. I said before that the same sign became plus. If I multiply same sign, negative times negative, it will be plus. So negative times negative will be positive. 5 times 3 equals 15. So the answer will be positive 15 or 15. Yes, the answer will be 15. Okay. Number 5, Z positive intersect Z negative. Z positive, which is 1, 2, 3, 4, and so on. Z negative, which is negative 1, negative 2, negative 3, and so on. So, what is the common between them? Intersect, which is mean common. What is a common? Nothing, yes. So, the answer will be phi. Phi means nothing. Okay? Number 6, if m times 7 equals negative 42, what is the number if I make multiply with 7 equals negative 42? Yes, negative 6. Negative 6 times 7 equals negative 2. So the answer will be negative 6. Yes. Here, number 7. Concentrate, please. 3 power 2 times 3 power 2 times 3 power 2. It is rule. If the base is same, like here, 3, 3, 3, same base, and between them multiplication, so the rule said, I will keep the base as it is and add the powers. Again, if the bases are same, like here, the base is same like here, I will keep the base as it is and I will add the powers. So the answer will be 3 power 2 plus 2 plus 2. I add the powers. 2 plus 2 plus 2 equals 6. So the answer will be 3 power 6. Yes. Okay. Number 8. Negative 1 power 3 plus 1 power 3. Okay. The odd power, take care, the odd power keeps the negative sign. The odd power keeps the negative sign. So, negative 1 power 3 equals negative 1. And 1 power 3 equals 1. 1 power any number equals 1, except if the power is even, it will fly the negative sign. But if the power is odd, it will keep the negative sign. It is a very important rule. So 3 here is odd power, so it will keep the negative. So the answer will be negative 1 plus 1 equals 0. Yes. Okay. Number 9, a cube. Its volume is 1000 cubic centimeter. Then its lateral area equals what? First, you must get the side length. The side length of cube equals. Here, he gives you the volume, 1000. What is the time? If I multiply itself 3 times, the answer will be 1000. Because the volume equals side length times side length times side length. What is the number? If I multiply it times 3 times, the answer will be 1000. Yes, it's 10. 10 times 10 times 10 equals 1000. So the side length will be 10 centimeters. Now it's very easy to get the lateral area. The rule of lateral area said the area of one face times 4 because it has 4 faces. The cube has 4 faces, okay? So I must get the area of one face. The area of one face, side length times side length. 10 times 10 equals 100 times 4. So the answer will be 400. Yes. Okay, number 10. The image of the point 3, negative 2 by translation negative 3 and 2. Translation means movement, okay? He wants to get the image of this point by movement this distance, negative 3 and 2. We said that we add x-axis of the point to x-axis of translation and add the y-axis with y-axis of translation. So I will make 3 plus negative 3 equals 0 and negative 2 plus 2 equals 0 also. So the movement or image of these points will be 0 and 0 is the origin, okay? Number 11. Z positive union 0. Union, which is mean and. Okay? Z positive means starting from 1, 1, 2, 3, and so on. If I add 0 with 1, 2, 3, and so on, so the answer will be natural numbers. Natural numbers n starting from 0, 1, 2, and so on. Yes. So the answer will be natural number. Okay. Number 12. Absolute negative 5 plus absolute 7. Absolute negative 5 equals 5 plus absolute 7 equals 7 as it is. We said absolute flies or cancels the negative sign. So negative 5 absoluted, it will be 5. 5 plus 7 equals what? Yes, it's very easy, 12. Okay, number 13. A rhombus whose diagonal length are 6 centimeter and 8 centimeter. Then its area equals what? The rule of area of rhombus equals half times diagonal 1 times diagonal 2. So it is the diagonal 1 and it is the diagonal 2. Half times 6 times 8 equals half times 6 equals 3. 3 times 8 equals 24. So the answer will be 24. Okay. Number 14. A circle of diameter 14 centimeter. Then its area equals what? Diameter equals 14 centimeter. Okay, so it is very easy to get the radius. Yes, radius equals half diameter, so radius will be 7. Okay, the rule of area of a circle pi times r square. So I will make 22 over 7, it is the value of pi, it's given, times r power 2. R refers to radius. Area equals pi times r power 2. Pi 22 over 7 times radius, which is 7 power 2. So the answer calculated 22 over 7 times 7 power 2 equals 154. Yes. Page 3, number 15. 7 power 0 plus negative 7 power 0. Keep in mind, any number power 0 equals 1. Any number power 0 equals 1. So, 7 power 0 equals 1 plus negative 7 power 0 equals 1. 1 plus 1 equals 2. Yes, the answer will be 2. Number 16. N, natural number, union Z, set of integers. If I add n, natural, and set of integers, so the answer will be what? Yes, the larger set. So it will be Z. Okay, set of integers. Okay. Number 17, negative 1 power 8. Which is bigger, negative 1 power 8 or negative 1 power 9? Again and again, it's very important. The even power cancels this negative sign, but the odd power, like 9, keeps the negative sign. So, negative 1 power 8, it is the same if I said 1 power 8. The even power cancelled or flies the negative sign, but odd power keeps negative sign. So if I compare between 1 power 8 or negative 1 power 9, 1 power 8 equals 1. Negative 1 power 9 equals negative 9. Equal negative 1. So which is bigger, 1 or negative 1? Yes, 1. So 1 greater than negative 1. Number 18. The lateral area of cuboid equals perimeter of base times what? It is rule. The lateral area of cuboid equals perimeter of base times height. So the answer will be height. Number 19, 2 power 3 times 2 power 5. We said in last page, if this base same 2, I will keep one base of it and add the powers. So the answer will be 2, keep the base 2 and add power 3 plus 5 equals 8. So the answer will be 2 power 8. Okay. Number 20. 15, belong or not belong or subset or not subset, Z negative. First, I must know what family I deal with. If I deal with two sets, so I will choose from subset or not subset. If I deal with element and set, I will choose from belong or not belong family. Here, 15 in braces, it is set, and Z negative, it is also set. So now I deal with two sets. I will choose from here, subset or not subset. 15, subset or not subset, Z negative? Yes, of course, not subset, because it's positive number, yeah. Okay. Number 21, 3 power 11 divided 3 power 8. The rule said that if the base is same, 3 and 3, like here, the bases are same and division between them, so I will subtract the powers. I will subtract the powers. So I will keep one base, which is 3, and subtract the powers. 11 minus 8 equals 3. So the answer will be 3 power 3. Okay? So the answer will be 3 power 3. Okay? Finally, number 22, the circumference of a circle equals what times pi? We said circumference of circle equals 2 times r times pi. Take care. Take care from the difference between circumference of a circle and area of the circle. Circumference of circle equals 2 times r times pi, but the area of a circle equals r power 2 times pi. Okay, so the circumference of a circle will be 2r or 2 times r times pi. It will be the second answer. Okay, I will complete it next time and thank you for listening to me.